Welcome. Let's meet the competitors. Here comes Finch with his top down whack, and Brown Dog was Clown Guy, and Grinch was Diamond, and Brontosaurus was Bumblelum. Now for the big race. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and so Diamond had a really late start, but other than that, they're all going pretty well. Bumblelum seems to be wobbling a little bit, but still going pretty fast. And Diamond seems to be scratching the surface a little bit. Oh, I think he's in the crack, and he is out. So Clown Guy's actually doing good. Whoa, Bumblelum and Clown Guy's out, and Bumblelum is out, and the winner is Finch with Stella. Yeah! I beat him. Second is Brontosaurus with Bumblelum.
Yay!
Third is Brown Dog. Well, you know what they say, third time's a charm. And last is Grinch with Diamond.
Daddy, stupid!
And that's the end of Top Spin.